Every cubic inch of a modern pharmaceutical cleanroom is engineered to be predictable. Temperature, humidity, and airflow are calculated to keep manufacturing variables at zero. But right outside these walls, the natural world is chaotic, relentless, and constantly testing the perimeter for an entry point. Pests represent the single most erratic and unpredictable variable threatening a facility designed for absolute control. This facility schematic shows exactly how that biological pressure is applied. Rodents exploit ground-level gaps, birds build nests near upper roof vents, and crawling insects navigate right up through underground drainage pipes. If even a single fly penetrates these defenses and enters the production area, the hygiene of the entire space is compromised. That one insect can introduce bacterial spores that force the immediate rejection of a multi-million-dollar batch. Keeping them out is mandatory. Pest control is a critical, multi-layered pillar of quality assurance in action. The first and most vital defense layer is prevention. The ultimate goal is to stop pests before they ever cross the threshold. This requires strict physical and procedural barriers. Every entry point needs proper sealing, automatic door closures, and air curtains, backed by rigorous daily waste management. Yet a single propped open door or a lapse in basic housekeeping instantly bypasses millions of dollars of strict physical security. Because human error occurs, a robust system assumes the primary perimeter will eventually be breached. That requires a secondary layer, an active early warning system. Looking at this floor plan, you can see how rodent traps, glue pads, and insect light traps map out a defensive grid. Their primary job in this phase is to gather data and detect activity early, not just to exterminate. Combining tight physical prevention with active monitoring transforms pest control from a reactive guessing game into a proactive, data-driven detection network. When that network detects an anomaly, the operational tempo shifts immediately. Action must be fast and decisive. Teams must swiftly deploy approved control methods. As shown in this illustration, any chemical response is highly targeted and precise. This restriction is absolute. Introducing unapproved extermination chemicals into a cleanroom is itself a massive contamination risk to the pharmaceutical product. This standard workflow loop dictates the response protocol during a breach. Teams inspect the area, identify the exact pest, treat the anomaly with approved methods, and then continuously monitor the site to ensure effectiveness. Effective control is never chaotic extermination. It is a highly regulated protocol designed to instantly restore the sterile baseline of the facility. Finally, we reach the administrative layer, documentation. In the pharmaceutical industry, there is a strict legal rule. If an action isn't documented, it didn't happen. Facilities must maintain strict empirical logs. This means recording exact dates of pest sightings, specific yields from trap monitors, and a comprehensive history of all control actions taken. When regulatory auditors inspect a facility, these meticulous records serve as the required empirical proof that the environment remains in a continuous state of control. Documentation permanentizes physical pest control actions into verifiable quality assurance data, closing the loop. When prevention, monitoring, control, and documentation work in harmony, they secure the manufacturing environment against its most chaotic variable. As this checklist shows, treating pest control as quality assurance provides 3 clear benefits. You prevent contamination, maintain strict hygiene standards, and protect the final product quality. Achieving this standard takes exact execution. That is why we provide pharmaceutical teams with specialized support, ranging from SOP documentation improvement and GMP training to complete audit readiness. A clean environment guarantees a safe product. Reach out today to start a practical discussion about strengthening your QA systems.